We monetized this Faceless Bedtime Prayer YouTube channel in less than 30 days. And yes, it's possible because I'm going to be proving that to us in this video. So if you ever thought of going into the faceless niche, or let's assume that you have a bedtime prayer channel, you're not getting views, subscribers, nor watch hours adding, then just try your best to make sure you pay attention, because I'm going to be discussing with us the exact same strategy that this channel over here used to achieve this milestone in less than 1 month. Okay, so now before we even go into the main details, I need you to understand something. When it comes to YouTube monetization, you do not expect every channel that is to have the same growth. Yes, I also have a faceless bedtime prayer channel, but I did not monetize mine in 30 days. Mine took about 60 days or thereabouts before I monetized it. And I've also had students that monetize in just 2 weeks. Like when I mean 2 weeks. So basically every single information is what I'm going to be sharing with us in this video, most especially the exact same strategy that this particular channel used to get monetized this fast. Okay, so as usual, try your best to make sure you pay attention. And with that much being said, let's get straight into the video. So now, first of all, before we go over to the strategies that this channel used to hit monetization faster, I'm going to be displaying on the screen here the exact time that this channel started uploading videos. And if you can look very well on the screen, it's showing 1 month ago. So that means that it took this channel just 1 month to hit monetization. Okay, so the question now is, what is the exact strategy that this channel used to monetize faster? So now when it comes to creating faceless content on YouTube, you know, faceless content simply means making videos without showing your face or even your real voice. Though there are some faceless content that requires you to share your real voice, but for this channel case study, it's actually a bedtime prayer channel that makes use of AI voice and also generated images for the video. So now when you want to go into the faceless niche, there are two things you need to pay attention to, because these are the two main things that matters a lot. Number one is the voice. If you're going to be making use of your voice, that is fine, just learn how to package it well. Then number two is the video itself, that is the background video displaying, because one, the voice is actually what people listen to, and the video displaying is what keeps them watching longer. So that is why you have to invest in a quality voice and also quality image. Okay, now for the voice, there are so many AI apps that you can actually use to generate your voice, and one of the recognized, or should I say one of the best AI voice to use for your video is 11 Labs, which is the exact same thing that this channel use. Okay, then for the video generation or the image creation, it depends on the particular pattern you want, because there are various praying videos on this YouTube space. So just go ahead and look for a channel you love what they are doing, then try your best to make a video relating to it. Okay, so for the video displaying on the screen, you can make use of Pinterest and you can also make use of Canva. So this particular video that I'm making for us right now is not going to be containing the exact production process on how to create a prayer video, but I might try to do that in another video. If you'd be interested, just drop it in the comment section. Okay, so after sorting out the voice and the video displaying on the screen, the next thing you need to pay attention to, because it matters a lot, is being able to properly optimize your YouTube channel, that is the faceless YouTube channel, because it helps a lot. It helps in making your content much more discoverable on search results. Aside from making YouTube algorithm to understand your content, it also helps your content to pop up on search, because there are sometimes you search for prayer video, as small as this channel is going to pop up on search results. That is the power of optimizing your channel properly. And for you to optimize your channel, what I use to optimize this channel is ChatGPT. What you just simply need to do is to go ahead, try to create a prompt by yourself. Hi ChatGPT, I want to go into the field, the faceless bedtime prayer niche, and this is the channel name that I want to use. So help me to optimize this channel properly to come up on search results. then ChatGPT is going to help you with every detailed information, the best description for the channel, the best keyword, the best category. Now, category for bedtime prayer channel is always people and blog. So being able to optimize your channel properly is really, really going to help you. Okay. Then after this channel setup, the right banner profile, and the whole optimization, the next thing, which was actually what made this channel to pick up faster, is this strategy that I used to share with us over and over on this my channel. The reason why I used to share it is because it works, and that was the exact same thing that also helped this channel to go viral faster. So the strategy is simply following a channel pattern that has already picked up, or a channel that is already working. Now, how can you do that? Just like as I used to say, if you want to start up any channel, any niche on YouTube here, try to always pay attention to channels that are doing the exact same thing you're doing. If possible, subscribe to 3 or 4 channels so that you can be able to be getting ideas from them. Okay, so as a bedtime prayer channel, what we did is to simply highlight 3 to 4 channels, not channels with high numbers of subscribers, because sometimes it can be very, very hard to compete with them because they already have this large audience. So try to always look for channels that are pretty doing well, maybe channels with like 4K subscribers, 5K, 2K, 3K. There are some channels with 3K subscribers that makes a lot of money here on YouTube, because what matters when it comes to YouTube monetization here is your video visibility, not your subscriber count. Okay, so what we did was to highlight 3 to 4 channels that was doing the exact same thing that she was doing. These channels are below 10,000 subscribers and they're getting maximum visibility. So what did we do? We decided to pick out one that we are going to be copying the exact same strategy at first. Okay, so now your video creation might be totally different. The exact same thing we try to emulate or copy is the thumbnail pattern, the titling pattern, the description pattern, the tags, and the hashtag. So being able to understand this thing is literally going to help you. Now, I'm not saying you should go ahead and do word for word, or maybe trying to recreate their videos. That is another channel video entirely. That is a very big reused content. It's just you creating your own. Okay, let's say for instance, now one of the channel inspiration we made use of is always fond of doing a prayer to thank Jesus. In fact, that is mainly the theme of that channel. So the very first video on the channel, we decided to do a prayer to calm your heart and sleep peacefully. That was the idea of that very first video, which the very first day sef, the video did not really do well. It just had about 3 to 4 or 5 views. That is one day ago. Then the second upload, we decided to copy that channel that I was talking about, strategy. And as God may have it, though the video did not go viral immediately, but it performed very well, more than the first upload. So we kept on following that pattern back to back. That was how she was able to get close to 2 to 3 or 4 viral videos that gave her all her watch hours complete, even though that her videos are not long. So that is why I tell you that if you're able to understand these strategies that I share on my channel and apply it on any niche, it's going to work. I was on my own one day when somebody sent me email to come and review his channel that he just got monetized, barely 2 weeks of posting. And how did he do it? He followed this same exact strategy that I just shared with us right now. So this is to tell you that it actually works if and only if you do it the right way. Okay, so apart from this particular strategy, the next thing or another thing she did is to always follow a pattern that has worked. Now, just like as I told you, after posting that second video, I think the third day the video was over 1,000 views, going to 2K views. So deep down, she already knows that okay, this is a pattern that works, so I have to maintain it. So the third, fourth, fifth, sixth video, we decided to use the exact same thumbnail, though 2 did not really perform well, but another one still performed well. So Anytime you get a viral video on your channel, what you just simply need to do is to try to follow that pattern, because that pattern brought in visibility to your channel. So if you're able to recreate that kind of video, it simply means that more people are going to be locating your channel, or it's going to help you to expand the reach of that video. That is how powerful this strategy is, and if you can learn it, if you can hold it very tight, is really going to help you. Okay, so after being able to understand and follow all this strategy, another thing is being able to use the right well optimized tags and hashtag is also going to help you. Now this strategy works for any niche, because I currently started a new faceless channel which I'm not ready to announce yet, and believe me when I say, by simply using this strategy, I am already seeing results. This is a totally different niche. I don't think I have ever talked about this niche on this YouTube space before. So what am I trying to tell you? Now, do not get me wrong. You could do this same strategy and not get monetized even in 1 month, even in 2 months, because my own faceless bedtime prayer channel, I didn't monetize it in 2 months. It was almost over 3 months, or close to 3 months. That was when the channel got monetized, which is actually fair enough, because there are some people that spend more than a year, 2 years here, they are not still monetized. So do not have that hope that, okay, princess said this channel monetized in 1 month, that simply means I must monetize mine. You could even monetize before the 1 month, before the 2 weeks. So what matters is following the right strategy, trying to pay attention to your content, check out for people doing what you are doing and reciprocate it. Okay, so another key point you should also take note of in this video and from this channel is that there was no short posted. Now, as a growing YouTuber, I used to advise us not to upload YouTube short, because YouTube shorts has a way of limiting one's visibility. That is, it's going to bring audience who are going to be interested in your short video content, but they're not going to pay attention to your long form content. So if you're uploading shorts before now, that is before watching this video, I would advise you to quit posting shorts and put that energy to your long form content, because even if you check it out in the aspect of the payment, the short form payment is actually very low compared to what you're going to earn on your long form video. So another bonus secret that I'm going to share with us is, when doing this, try to pay much more attention to posting longer prayer videos, because once one happens to go viral, had it been these her videos happen to be very long, like all those 20, 25, 30 minutes, this channel should have been monetized even in the second week of monetize, even in the second week of uploading. But her videos were very short. That was why it took this long duration. So these are just strategies that if you apply, then you are going to get results. Okay, so I also offer one-on-one training. In case you are interested in doing something like this, feel free to send me an email, then I'll hold you hand to hand and you create a channel like this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this particular video, and if you find this content helpful in any way, please make sure to do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and lastly, if you have any question, go down to the comment section and drop it. And as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.